everybody, this is your handbag hauler here, and today I have something special going on. I'm gonna get to that, but first I want to tell you all to remember to like and subscribe to these videos. We're out here reviewing your favorite Dooney and Bourke handbags, and we want to get all the information we can to you so that you make the right purchase when you go out there looking for your next handbag. So today I am doing a unboxing. I am so excited. I didn't do like I normally do and take my plastic bag or my little canvas tote bag to work to carry my new bag because I knew I was gonna come back and do this review. So today I just carried my regular Dooney here and I didn't open the box yet. So I have the box right here. I'm so excited. It's right here. It's not open, but I'm gonna open it right now in front of all of you so you all can be excited with me. I'm gonna get a chair really quick here, my little chair, and sit down so I can do this. So I'm so excited to see what's going on in here. This was my Christmas gift for myself, and I was gonna put it under the tree. That might not happen. Because I'm gonna wanna carry this when I open it and see it. So, this is my Chelsea Midnight Blue tote. Yay! Oh, I can tell now. This is awesome. Packaged really well, of course. Oh, okay. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. I don't want to scratch it. Here we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is awesome. This is the Midnight Blue Chelsea tote. Let's take some of this wrapping out of here. They pack it very well. Okay. Got your dust bag right here, of course. Awesome. So this right here, my friends, is the Chelsea in the Midnight Blue. It looks black on there, but it is blue. Let's see my pillow. That doesn't help. But, oh, well, this purse is black. There you go. This bag is black. This is blue. Midnight Blue. So, of course, in the inside, you have your red cloth interior. You have your zip pocket right here. Gotta do my registration, of course. It has this outer pocket, and of course the two pockets on the inside right here. And then it has a zipper. The middle part zips. Put all your private stuff in here, your checkbook and all that stuff that you don't want falling out. And then of course it has your key finder. It has a snap. The snap is gold. It's gold hardware. So move the plastic aside so you can see the handle. The smaller handle has the gold hardware also. And then the front has the gold plate, nameplate right here. And the longer strap It is adjustable on both sides. I probably won't adjust it because I think I like this size right here, or maybe I might make it a little bit, might do it on the last one right there. But both sides have the part where you can adjust it. And this is just an awesome tote bag. Oh my God, I might have to carry this tomorrow. Ooh, I'm so excited. I don't know why I thought this came with a wallet with it. I'm gonna have to look again because I got it during the 12 days of Dooney. And this one was a really good price. I got it right at the last minute, at the last day. But this is awesome. I love it. Perfect for work. Would have went great with what I had on. But this is how it wears with the longer strap. Perfect. Oh my God, this is perfect. Shorter strap, arm strap, right there, just like that. And that is the bag. And again, this is the Chelsea tote in Midnight Blue. And I love this purse. I was gonna put it under the tree for Christmas. I'm getting ready to switch purses right now. But don't forget, you know, you guys, I saw on the Pecan Tan Beauty, on one of her videos, how to do all the, you know, condition your purse and clean it. And I really have to do that to my purses, because I have been slacking doing that. So that's what I'm going to do this weekend. Make sure I condition and waterproof all my my bags. I keep saying purses as bags. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So again, this is the Midnight Blue Chelsea tote. And remember, guys, to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again on my next video. All right. Thanks for joining me.